Today, I'm going to show you how to edit the time of an activity in Strava. So I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my device. Once that loads up, I'm ready to navigate to where my activities are stored. Now I'm looking down at the bottom of the screen where the main navigation tabs are located. From here, I'm tapping on the option that says You. This takes me to my personal profile area where I can see all my account details and activity history. Once I'm on that screen, I'm moving my attention to the top of the page. Right here, I can see a tab labeled Activities, so I'm going ahead and tapping on that. This opens up a full list of all the activities I've recorded in Strava, whether they're runs, rides, or any other type of workout. Now I'm scrolling through the list until I find the specific activity I want to edit. This could be today's run, yesterday's bike ride, or anything I've logged previously. Once I locate it, I'm tapping directly on that activity to open it up. The activity details screen now appears, showing me all the information about this workout like distance, pace, and time. From here, I'm looking up to the top right corner of the screen where I can see three dots. That's the menu button. So I'm tapping on those three dots and a menu pops up with several options. In this menu, I'm finding the option that says Edit Activity. I'm tapping on that and now Strava opens the editing screen where I can make changes to various details about this activity. At this point, I'm scrolling down a bit until I see a section labeled Activity Stats. This is the area where all the key numbers for the workout are displayed, including things like distance and time. So I'm looking through that section carefully. Right here, I can see the time field. This shows the current duration that Strava has recorded for this activity. If I need to adjust it because the timing was off or I forgot to stop the recording right away, this is where I do it. So I'm tapping directly on the time field. Once I tap it, Strava lets me edit the time manually. I can change the hours, minutes, or seconds depending on what needs to be corrected. So I'm adjusting the time to whatever the accurate duration should be. I'm just making sure it reflects the actual workout time and not any extra time that got recorded by mistake. Once I've entered the correct time and everything looks good, I'm scrolling down to the bottom of the screen. Right here, I can see a button that says Save Activity. So I'm tapping on that to confirm the changes. As soon as I do that, Strava processes the update and saves the new time to the activity. The edited time is now reflected in my activity history and any stats or leaderboards that rely on this data will be updated accordingly. And that's it. The time on your Strava activity is now edited and saved. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.